Good afternoon, students. Today we will solve some MCQs of inverse trigonometric functions for preparation of upcoming exams in first week of July. So let's begin. First of all, this table is very important because it gives values of domain and range of various inverse trigonometric functions. So first question is sin inverse sine 2 pi by 3 is equal to, first of all let us check range of 2 pi by 3, which is equal to 2 multiplied by pi is equal to 180 divided by 3, which is equal to 120. Now from this table let us check range of sin inverse x, which is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, but 120 is out of range, so convert it into other angles. Sin pi minus pi by 3, which is equal to sin inverse sine of pi by 3. So answer is pi by 3, that is D option is correct option. Next question, cos inverse 1 by 2. Put y is equal to cos inverse 1 by 2, that is cos y is equal to 1 by 2. Now from trigonometric ratios table, y is equal to pi by 3. If you don't know how to make trigonometric ratios table, I will give a link in description to make trigonometric table. Next question, if sin inverse x minus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 6, then x is equal to, now sin inverse x minus cos inverse x is equal to also sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Solving these two equations, we get sin inverse x is equal to pi by 3, that is x is equal to sin pi by 3. Now from trigonometric ratios table, sin pi by 3 is equal to under root 3 by 2. So B is correct option. Next question, tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. First of all find out the value of tan inverse 1, which is equal. Next is cos inverse minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 pi by 3. Next sin inverse minus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus pi by 6. Now solve this, we get 3 pi by 4. So B is right option. Next question, sine of secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to, according to properties of inverse trigonometric functions, secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So sine of pi by 2 is equal to 1. So A is right option. Now next question, the value of tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 is. Now according to formula, tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy, because tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy according to properties of inverse trigonometric functions. So put the values, tan inverse 3 by 4 plus 1 by 7 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 7. Solve this. We get tan inverse 1, which is equal to pi by 4. So D is right option. Next question, the principal value of sin inverse sin 5 pi by 6. Again check range of 5 pi by 6, which is equal to 5 pi by 6, that is 5 multiplied by 180 divided by 6, which is equal to 150. But range of sin inverse x is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, that is minus 90 to 90, but 150 is not in this range, so convert it into other angles. Now sin inverse sin of pi minus pi by 6, that is sin inverse sin of pi by 6. So A is right option. Next question, cos inverse 1 by 2 plus 2 sin inverse 1 by 2 is equal to. First of all, cos inverse 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 3 plus 2, and sin inverse 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 6. Simplify, we get 2 pi by 3, that is D is right option. Now range of the function tan inverse x is. Range of the function tan inverse x is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That is, this option is right option. Next is range of cot inverse x, which is equal to 0 to pi. Next is domain of tan inverse x is R. Next question, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 when x belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, or x belongs to R, or x belongs to plus R, or x belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. B is right option. Next question, sin inverse minus 1 by 2. So first of all put y is equal to sin inverse minus 1 by 2. So sin y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now sin y is equal to minus sin pi by 6, that is y is equal to minus pi by 6. So D is right option. Next question. The value of tan inverse tan 3 pi by 4 is. Again check range of 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 which is equal to 3 multiplied by 180 divided by 4 which is equal to 45. 135. But range of tan inverse is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, that is minus 90 to 90, and 135 is not in this range. So convert it into other angles, which is tan inverse tan of pi minus pi by 4, which is equal to tan inverse tan of minus pi by 4, that is minus pi by 4 is right option. Hope you all understand all the MCQs with explanation. Now you will try similar MCQs for practice. Thank you.